Whether it's a natural disaster, a wilderness adventure gone awry, or any other unexpected emergency, having the right equipment can make the difference with proper preparedness. So, in this video, let's look at the 10 best survival gear from Walmart that doesn't suck. It's tough to survive without a pocket-sized knife that has versatility saying all over it. And the Gerber Exo-Mod is exactly that. It is a compact and nimble knife designed for survival and extreme situations. With its skeletonized full-tang design and blacked-out stainless steel blade, the knife is incredibly lightweight while still providing the deep and deadly cuts you might need. Exo-Mod also features a snap-together sheath system, allowing users to carry only what they need, eliminating extra weight and keeping it minimal. As a result, this knife is easy to carry and always there ready to take it out for the job. The Blue 72 is a comprehensive emergency kit designed for one person, providing essential supplies for the first 72 hours of a disaster. This kit includes 3 basic necessities for survival: food, water, and emergency blankets, all packed in a compact grab-and-go backpack. This reinforced grab-and-go bag features a triple pocket design that provides an easy and discreet storage as well as quick transport. With its portability and versatility, this kit can be stored in various locations and ready for immediate use during critical times. Don't wait for first responders to arrive. Be prepared for emergencies with the Blue 72. Having nutrient survival supply is a wise move if you are stuck for an indefinite time and not sure about getaway. After all, the last thing anyone would want is to be drained out without any energy left in your body. ReadyWise comes with water and food supply for 72 hours that an adult can have at 3 serves per day. Also, the food is safely sealed with Metalite pouches and has an ideal 2,150 calories per day intake for the survivors. In a survival situation, it's essential to have a reliable shelter to protect yourself from harsh weather conditions or even from the wilderness. The Go Time Gear emergency tent is the perfect solution to ensure your safety and comfort. Made with extra thick, puncture-resistant polyethylene material, this tent reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and dry even in the most extreme conditions. It can easily accommodate 2 people, allowing users to stay close to the companion and face any potential threats together. The Streamlight Survivor LED flashlight is a must-have tool for anyone who needs a reliable light source in a critical situation. This high-quality flashlight makes the storage and carrying so easy with its flat and thin body. With its advanced LED technology and 3 lighting modes, this flashlight is capable of piercing through smoke in high mode, providing a bright light for longer run times in low mode, and signaling for help in flash mode. Its low-profile bezel makes it easy to carry and doesn't interfere with the gear or equipment. With a maximum 250 lumen of bright light, the Survivor can cover 447 meters of beam distance. Lastly, the secure clip and D-ring allow for hands-free use, making it a versatile tool that is ideal for a variety of tasks. Now, you surely don't want to be stuck in the middle of nowhere with all your essential gadgets dead, right? And this is why the Durecopow solar charger is an ultimate savior to stay connected and send updates to reach help. This massive 20,000 mAh portable solar power bank is perfect for emergency situations. The high-quality constructed materials ensure it's durable, reliable, and can tackle huge impacts. Moreover, the water-resistant, shock-resistant, and dust-proof design makes it ideal for use in any environment, whether it's in the rain, snow, or even at the beach. Another feature that sets it apart is the eco-friendly silicone rubber and ABS-PC material used in its construction. This not only makes the device durable and reliable, but it also meets the CE FCC RoHS standards, ensuring that you are purchasing a device that is safe and of high quality. In crucial survival situations, the ability to signal for help could be the differential point. That's why the ACR ResQFlare is the ultimate solution and a very handy flashlight. Its high-intensity LED electronic flare kit is designed to provide maximum visibility for over 6 miles, ensuring that anyone in need of rescue can quickly and easily signal for help and make their presence visible. The included distress flag is also certified to meet the U.S. Coast Guard requirements, making it a reliable and convenient alternative to traditional pyrotechnic flares. With an impressive 20 hours plus burn time, the ResQFlare provides cool and calm amid an emergency. As a result, the ResQFlare increases the chances of survival and rescue in critical situations. An emergency list is incomplete without a first aid kit, and the Thrive thrives to provide fast and effective medication. You never know what could happen in a survival situation, and it's not easy to determine how bad an injury could be. But what is possible is to act quick with the Thrive First Aid Kit of any kind of injury. The kit contains supplies to treat cuts and scrapes, sprains, insect bites, headaches, muscle aches, as well as allergic reactions. Moreover, inside the kit, there are 26 essential first aid instruments for more complex injuries. These can provide any kind of medical attention that could get worse with time, if not treated as early as possible. The Go Time Gear Bivy is a high-performance 2-person emergency sleeping bag engineered to keep you dry, warm, and more importantly, alive on your survival voyage. Its highly reflective water-resistant material provides unbeatable insulation that can conserve 90% of the body heat, ensuring warmth even in wet and humid environments. Its extra-thick, puncture-resistant bivy further enhances the sleeping bag's ability to keep survivors warm and worry-free on rocky patches. Moreover, this lightweight, all-in-one sleeping bag comes with an ultra-loud whistle of 120 decibels to alert rescuers from 1 mile away. And the convenience of bivy, especially during crucial times, is unmatched. Small enough to fit in the palm and just 4.1 ounces. This also eliminates the hassle and inconvenience of storing. Wonder why and what a simple bracelet can do in a survival situation? Well, the Atomic Bear did, and the result is the Cobra. This simple-looking bracelet might look cool from the outside with a tiny compass from a distance, but as the Cobra unfolds, it packs everything one could ever need. Starting from a simple fire starter to a small and nimble emergency small knife, the Cobra has it all to make the escape or survival discreet and seamless. It comes in 2 adjustable sizes to fit small and big wrists, so don't stress about getting the right size. And its versatile functionalities not only makes the Cobra an amazing survival gear, but also a nifty EDC or camping hiking tool. So, that was our list of 10 best survival gear from Walmart that doesn't suck. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section below, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.